What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GGA 26 mini chainsaw. Now I'm hoping some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 because I want to get this thing used again this year because I do like this chainsaw. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot, but I'm hoping some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used again at some point because like I said, this thing hasn't been used since May, and that was the last time it ever been used. And then ever since the time you've been used almost like quite a bit because you see how I expected this chainsaw that was exactly, which I do like saying well because you see this is a 2022 model. So you see how I expected this chainsaw is being used almost like quite a bit. But I do kind of like the same one because even though this thing has been used almost like a couple times already this season, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it exactly. It's definitely how I expected this machine's been used almost by quite a bit because it would take the same guy to use it on the same thing as the push washer, the like I said, push washer, clean, tom, the side backing, the blower, and also the hedge trimmer, which I know isn't very say how much better the good tip here right here, which it's not very how much I expected this thing setting. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used again at some point this year because well I really hope so this thing will get used at some point this year because ever since the time a little bit because I do like this chainsaw exactly, which it definitely looks really nice. And come and think about it, it's definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, which is definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, which it will get used again at some point, either this week, this year. I mean, I hope this thing will get used this year because it's a pretty nice looking chainsaw.